Today, I'll show you how to create a bill in bill.com, a crucial step for managing your business expenses efficiently. Whether you're a small business owner or an accounting professional, mastering this process will help you streamline your financial operations and keep your accounts in tip-top shape. To get started, let's direct our attention to the left-hand navigation sidebar menu on your bill.com dashboard. You'll want to hover over or click on the Bills tab. This is where you'll find everything related to bill management in one convenient location. Now, look towards the top right section of your workspace screen. There you should see a blue button labeled Enter Bill. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a new window where you can input all the necessary details for your bill. First, let's focus on populating the primary document metadata fields. These are crucial for ensuring that your bill is accurately recorded and traceable. Begin with the vendor field. Click the drop-down menu and select your supplier. If this is a new vendor that you haven't worked with before, don't worry. You can easily add them by clicking on plus Add New Vendor. This feature keeps your vendor list up to date and complete. Next, you'll need to type in the invoice number. This is the unique tracking sequence code that you'll find printed on the bill stub. Inputting this accurately is essential as it helps in tracking and reconciling invoices. Now, move on to the invoice date. This is the date the invoice was officially generated by the supplier. Enter this correctly to ensure that all your documents are chronologically organized. The next step involves selecting the payment terms. Click the drop-down menu and choose an option that suits your agreement with the supplier, like Net 30 or Due Upon Receipt. Based on your selection, the system will automatically calculate the due date, eliminating any guesswork. With the primary metadata fields filled in, it's time to assign your expenses in the line item grid layout. Start by selecting the account from the drop-down menu. This should be the target general ledger classification account required by your synced accounting software, such as QuickBooks or Xero. After selecting the account, input the dollar value for that specific line row. This is the amount you are allocating to that expense account. While it's optional, you can add a description. This can be an internal note detailing what the purchase was for, providing additional context that can be useful for future reference or audits. If you have any tracking tags that need to be assigned, now is the time to do it. These could be accounting classes, locations, or jobs, which are particularly useful if you track department budgets or specific projects. In cases where you need to split the total invoice amount across multiple distinct expense accounts, simply click Add Row. This allows you to break down the invoice into manageable parts and assign each to the relevant account. Once you've filled out all the necessary information, double-check everything for accuracy. When you're satisfied that everything is correct, click Save. This will finalize the entry and ensure that your bill is recorded in the system. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully created a bill in bill.com. This process not only helps in keeping your accounts organized, but also ensures that your business transactions are recorded accurately. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more tutorials for additional tips on managing your business finances.